Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. Today I brought another session which is on installing Spyder IDE for Python programming. So I saw this IDE and I like the IDE, this IDE UI. It is very good and very smooth. I have written some code also, and I like this because most of the packages which we use in regular uses are available by pre-installed, and you did not need to worry about installing those. Very rare packages I think you will be installing it. So let me show you how to install it. First you need to go to this spyderide.org. So I will be providing this link in my description box. So this is my ID. So we have here we'll be installing with the Anaconda. We'll go down and we'll be having download Spyder with Anaconda. And here we have pricing. We need not need to worry about the pricing because we'll be installing the individual version, and this comes free, whereas the other team edition, enterprise, professional comes with prices. So this is free, so you don't have to worry about all those. Let us go with the download one. We have this download option. Based on your requirement, we have do you need 3.7 or you need some lower version, and 64-bit or 34-bit based on that. So let me go, since my system is 64-bit, I will be going with 64-bit. So I already have this installed, but and if you want to create an account, you can create an account. I have already created it, so it's not mandatory, but yes, it will be good if you have an account also. Let me go to downloads, and we already have this downloaded here. So let me go through it. So let me install this application. So this will take pretty good time. So let me walk through you. Let me show you how we can go through its steps. So here we need to press continue. Just agree the license. So install for just me or all users. Let me go for all users. Okay. Okay. So here you have two ways. Either you can use add Anaconda to system path environment variable and this, or I have this. Since I already have a Python installed in some other location, so I'll be installing with this. So it says like it is detected one more Python 3.7 version in this path, so I don't need to worry about it. So because the Anaconda anyway, another version of Python 3.7 will be installed, but it will be in another location, so the older Python will not be affected with the new installation. Okay, it's done, so we'll go with next steps. It's done. I don't need to go for this, so we'll go with next. Finished. So very simple. This is how we can install Spyder IDE. So let me search for Spyder. So for the very first time it will take some time of delay to start the application, but from the next onwards it will be faster. So along with the Spyder we'll have this Anaconda prop installed. So if by chance if you need to install any modules, so any modules other than is not available, then you can just install as I'll be showing you in the later part how you need to do it. Okay, I don't need this. Okay, so this is how the UI looks like. So this will be basically the coding part where we will be writing the code, and this is the uh, console part where you will be getting input output, and this is your variable explorer. So all the variables, what the variables you will be defining here, you can find all the variables here. So let me start writing a code, simple code. Say x is equal to 5. We're writing a small addition code. So let me run the code. Okay, for the first time execute current, for the first time you'll be getting this prompt. So just it will run the current console, so you need to worry about all the steps. Just run it. If you see here, we got the values of variables, so it's very easy for defining it. What are the variables you're passing and what is the output? So you can see this is the values x, y, and then z is the output. So this is one of the good IDE which I can recommend you for using it. So next is like it will this Spyder IDE will come with almost all the required Python packages, but still if you need some additional packages which is not available, just type Anaconda in your start button and you will find this Anaconda prompt. You can go with the pip install anything, say like any module you can install, it will install. So this is the basic thing about the Spyder IDE. Also, if you want to use some dedicated Python interpreter, so in my case I already have another version of Python installed, and if I want to use that particular interpreter here, I can use that. Just go to Python interpreter and you can use that particular following interpreter if you need it. So I can use this Python and then it will use the following interpreter. So I don't need that as of now, so let it be by default. So this is how we can install your Spyder IDE and configure it for running your Python applications. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can write down to me at my email ID, that is rafiqjaved2@gmail.com. Also, I have couple more videos regarding PyCharm installation as well as Visual Studio. Those video links will be flashing in my video, so you can go through it if you're looking for some other IDE options. So hope you liked my video. If yes, please press like button, and for more videos please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.